भाई क्या गंदा
Because
ट्रैफिक।
that is where we are having a much cheaper, more tonnage and more efficient. So a truck emitting throughout the Western Ghats makes no sense. This is where we have to take a call where it makes sense. Sustainability is a very important virtue here. Yes, we have to make sure that we are not introducing coastal shipping into areas where it is not possible, or we're introducing something where inland shipping is not possible.
बहुत ट्रैफिक है भाई, इधर
because
मतलब इतना
ships
ज़्यादा
have
ट्रैफिक रहता
higher
है
tonnage and use lesser fuel
इंसान
compared to
परेशान है
aviation or roads, it
और
can
किधर
help
से भी घुसेगा
in
देखना।
reducing our
अरे
per,
भाई,
or you can say
रुकने का
per
नाम ही नहीं ले
ton
रहा।
cost of transportation and per ton emission can be brought down.
किसी को नहीं
It's
रुकना।
about per tonnage emission. Road is
साहब,
helpful, for example,
ये
for
देखो
example,
ये
in the
देखो ये
northeast,
देखो भाई
where
साहब
the
को।
Siliguri corridor is a very important corridor to send. So there also rail is equally important. But last mile connectivity in the northeast cannot be brought in by railways. So therein we can have trucks. However, throughout peninsular India we have coastal
रुक जाइए
and
सर,
inland shipping
सॉरी
has very good options.
स्पीड आ चुका था, डीएक्सीलरेट
And
करना उतना
throughout the
पॉसिबल।
heartland of India, we have a very good rail network. The problem is railways is already in a way pressurized by this dichotomy between
इस टाइम पे
fleet
सुन
and
भी नहीं
passenger.
पाते हैं।
Passenger is the loss producing one,
कोई
fleet
नहीं।
is the one which actually produces some
रेलवे
amount of
फ्रेट
profit.
पे आर्टिकल है
But
ना, ये
we
तो
have
पढ़ा
to
हुआ है थोड़ा
create
थोड़ा, समझ
corridors.
जाएंगे।
That much capacity the government of India has and has been also doing. We have dedicated freight corridors also, which are becoming a game changer.
अच्छा
So this is where
अच्छा,
we have to
डेडिकेटेड
have a
फ्रेट
complementary system.
पढ़े हैं ये तो।
88%, 4% makes no sense. It has to be, for example, 30% or 40-30, wherein once
भाई
the ship
साहब,
comes
ये
to the
क्यों?
port, from railway
ऐसे
it
कौन
goes to
करता
the
है भाई?
final
गेट
destination, from truck it goes to the doorstep. It has to be a certain complementary
Civic
nature.
sense
Logistics
driving
sector
का बहुतों
always
के
is
पास
complementary. You cannot
ऐसा है,
just use
civic
trucks,
sense
you
नहीं।
cannot just use aviation, you cannot
दिक्कत
just
यहाँ
use inland shipping or coastal shipping. I hope you understand the nature of this understanding. It is a certain complementary sector. It has to work with one another. Yes, okay. Modified better focus. Yes, it is about making sure that the focus is not just on the road transportation sector. See, the reason why road is considered better today is because railways are not providing right type of free transportation. Today, if you must have heard about the stories also, if you want to send your car or, for example, your bike from one city to the other, railways do not have the right capacity, the personnel to handle that bike itself. They will take it. There is an option, but there is lot of damage which happens. So people then choose Agarwal Packer Mover, these packers and movers, because therein there is service being provided along with goods transportation. So that is where you have to change your understanding a little bit, where you have to
चलो
also
guys,
give the
पहुंच
right
गए
type
हैं।
of services which comes with this
Bye bye,
transportation.
see you.
Inland shipping